Chapter 1, The Enigma of Black Holes. Welcome to the first chapter of our exploration into the mysteries of space travel. In this chapter, we delve into the enigmatic world of black holes, where the laws of physics break down and reality becomes twisted. Black holes are cosmic monsters, devouring everything that comes too close, including light itself. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravitational pull. Once trapped within the event horizon of a black hole, nothing can escape its grasp. It is a place where time stands still and the laws of physics, as we understand them, cease to exist, as we venture closer to a black hole. The gravitational forces become increasingly intense, distorting space and time. This phenomenon, known as gravitational time dilation, means that time passes more slowly near a black hole compared to the outside world. But be warned, getting too close to a black hole is a perilous endeavor. The immense tidal forces would stretch and tear apart any spacecraft or living being unfortunate enough to venture too near. The secrets that lie within black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. What happens to matter that enters a black hole? Is there a gateway to other dimensions or parallel universes? These questions continue to fuel the imaginations of scientists and inspire incredible works of fiction, such as the film Interstellar, which we'll explore in the next. Chapter 2, Interstellar, a glimpse into the unknown. In this chapter, we embark on an exploration of the mind-bending film Interstellar and how it tackles the concepts of space travel, time dilation, and wormholes. Interstellar takes us on a thrilling journey through a universe ravaged by environmental catastrophe, where humanity seeks new habitable worlds beyond our own. The film masterfully portrays the effects of time dilation as the crew ventures close to a massive black hole named Gargantua. For every hour they spend near the black hole, years pass by on Earth. Visual representation of the crew aging slowly while Earth ages rapidly. Such a scenario, although exaggerated for the sake of storytelling, is grounded in the principles of general relativity and our understanding of the warping of spacetime near massive objects. Another mind-bending concept depicted in Interstellar is the use of wormholes. These hypothetical tunnels in spacetime could potentially connect distant parts of the universe, allowing for rapid travel between them. While wormholes are purely speculative at this point, they offer a fascinating avenue for space travel in science fiction and continue to capture the imagination of both filmmakers and scientists alike. As we conclude this chapter, it's important to note that while Interstellar takes creative liberties with science, it succeeds in sparking conversations and inspiring us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the mysteries of space travel. Chapter 3, Unraveling the Secrets Beyond. In this final chapter, we venture into the realm of the unknown, contemplating the future of space travel and the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. Scientists and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing new propulsion systems, such as ion drives and solar sails, to propel spacecraft faster and farther than ever before. The pursuit of faster-than-light travel, once deemed impossible, is now a subject of active research and speculation. Concepts like warp drives and the manipulation of spacetime continue to captivate our imagination. Furthermore, the search for extraterrestrial life, the existence of parallel universes, and the nature of dark matter and dark energy remain tantalizing mysteries that drive our exploration of space. Images of astronomers observing the cosmos and analyzing data. While we may not have all the answers, our insatiable curiosity pushes us to unravel the secrets of the universe. The mysteries of space travel continue to beckon, inviting us to embark on a journey of discovery that transcends the confines of our planet. As we conclude our exploration of the mysteries of space travel, remember that the universe is a vast and wondrous place, filled with countless enigmas waiting to be unraveled. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of space travel. May your thirst for knowledge and your passion for exploration continue to shine brightly as you navigate the depths of the cosmos.